Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sublimate on Dollar Tree napkins. And I'm also going to show you everything that I use to accomplish sublimation on Dollar Tree napkins. Stay tuned. For this project, I'll be using copy paper, sublimation paper. I will sublimate on the Dollar Tree napkins. I will be using Sublimation ink, our amazing ink. I will be using scissors. Maybe I will be using a tape also, maybe not, but I have it ready. So like I said, I will be using Sublimation paper and Sublimation ink. This one come in sizes of 8.5 by 11 and 13 by 19, and this come in bottles of 70 milliliters and bigger bottles of 1 liter. And this is the thing we're going to be using. So stay tuned for the video to print on these, you know, the party napkins from the Dollar Tree. They are small, like 5 inches. Today we're going to sublimate on these and see the result. These are not they are just like paper towel, you know. They are not polyester and things like that. It's just paper. So but the but the idea is to sublimate on them so that we can have the beautiful image on them. So I'm going to press on some of these today, and I have these images. These are AI images that I generated through Midjourney, and I will have them on my website if you want to download them, if you need them with different ones. I have this one here. I'm going to put my image on it, but the first thing I'm going to do, I'll put a paper on my, like a normal copy paper. I will put it here, and I don't want my Teflon sheet to be stained, and I'm also gonna put one on top of here so that my machine doesn't get stained too. I saw when I was testing it, you know, you want to tape it, but this thing is so fragile, it's so sensitive. That's when you tape it, it can damage the the napkin on the other side, on this side. So I will layer it. I will that's why I made my paper a little bit bigger, my sheet a little bit bigger. Let me tell you, this this napkin is 5 inch all around. It's like a square. The sublimation transfer, I made it 5.25 inch so that it can be a little bit bigger than my napkin. So I will be able to layer it. You see, I cut it out really well, and I will be able to like layer it so that the whole napkin can be done. So right now I am heating up like my heat press on 400. Like I told you, this is paper, so the ink won't transfer to this like 100%, because this substrate is not really for sublimation, but you know, we still want to sublimate on it because we want custom napkins. Yeah, we crafters, we do things. Yeah, so, and also, okay, let's do this one. So now I have it like this. I don't want to tape it because it damaged the thing. I will put it carefully, and then I will place one more paper on top of it. Okay, and then we'll press it. Okay, that was fast. Ooh, that was fast. Okay, let's see. Yeah, let's see that thing. Ooh. You see, like I was telling you, it doesn't absorb 100% of the ink, but still you have beautiful colors, and this is what is left. Oh, but still you have beautiful colors. The color is beautiful. You see, you can still sublimate on it. Oh, let's go to the next one. I'm going to print this image on it. Okay, I'm gonna place her here. Add one more paper. Ooh, come on, paper. And then we're going to press it again. Let me know if you have any questions. Very cute. Ooh, let's see again. I'll show you I'll show you the brand of the napkin. Ooh, she's cute. Oh wow, it came out cute. Not all my ink went through because, like I said, this is not polyester. This is just paper towel. But it came out cute. I love her. Wow. And it's a very nice gift, I'm telling you, for a birthday party. Or this is a cute image. I'll place her like this first. Like I said, I don't want to tape it because I don't want to damage it. That's why I made I made the image a little bit bigger than the napkin. The napkin is just 5 by 5, and I hold it tight, and then I place it over here, and then I place just a copy paper over it, and we're going to print it. And now we're going to print it. I like the colors. I'm using Pouy Sublimation ink, and Pouy Sublimation paper. Look at that. So precious. So precious. Wow. Napkins we did. This one, and this one. You can see the difference with sublimate with polyester. This is polyester and this is just paper. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video. And these are the works that we did, the napkins that I sublimated. And try it as a crafter. Try it, you will see that you will love it. These, you can sublimate your kids' pictures on them, your kids' faces, and give them to your mother. She will keep them. These are not surely to be used, you know. I will keep them as gifts. So try it and let me know in the comment section what you get out of it, and also let me know if you're going to try it. It was a fun project. I loved it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be able to catch it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.